Odessa Separators is your source for downhole filtration. The Super Perf, which is Odessa Separator's latest tool for solid filtration, is an improvement over the standard perforated pub joint. In a typical wellbore, your perforated pub joint is placed below the seating nipple, with either a bull plug or a mud joint placed below. Super Perf replaces the perforated pub joint. It is manufactured by perforating a standard J55 tubing. Through this process, we have increased the fluid flow 5 times greater on the base pipe than on the perforated pub joint. A 75-slot stainless steel jacket is placed over the perforated tubing, which is then welded in place. A standard J55 tubing collars are placed over each end with a triple corrosion-resistant MIG weld. An additional configuration to deal with gas separation would be to replace the bull plug with an oversized joint of tubing. The 75-slot screen opening allows for a back-flush process each time your pump is pulled. The Super Perf is designed to increase fluid flow by having 27 times greater surface area than the perforated pub joint, while filtering large abrasives and decreasing fluid restriction and pressure drop and increasing gas ventilation, which allows for extended equipment runtime and reduce your lifting cost.